I was a telecom engineer with zero background in analytics, and it's only my desire that I need to shift because I feel like uh, I've been stuck with telecom projects and I don't see any progress now for myself. And just in time that I saw this analytics program by Great Learning, then I also heard our company is trying to build a new department, analytics team. My mentorship session with Mr. Depan is really, really good. When I do the studying of the recordings of the modules, but during Saturday session, mentorship with him, everything is clarified and he's very helpful. I've learned with my other colleagues also, which they took some online courses, but they don't have this mentoring session. That's why they were very surprised. And I always say I have a mentoring session on every Wednesday or every Saturday. And they say, oh, we didn't experience that. What he now gave us is more, especially to me, is the support that I didn't receive from any other online courses. I appreciate the constant messaging and constant checking on us, how's our progress or any other concerns that we need to raise. And we also have this like feedback, online feedback that we can raise through our concerns. The capstone actually is really helpful in the sense that it exposed me what's real, the real data that we are about to face in the real situation, because a classroom data set is totally different from the so-called the real data set. The best aspect of the program is, aside from systematic courses, then the flexible timing. What I love with the Great Learning structuring of this program is the mentoring session. The 1 hour to 2 hours mentoring session is really, really great. That's your edge. I did some online courses with other company, but I don't have this mentoring session. And most of the so-called mentoring is done by email. Which definitely I would recommend this program to my colleagues under Great Learning. Now, once our department is formalized, my director already knows that I took these courses at Great Learning, and I already provided the brochures with them along with my HR. So we're just hoping that once everything is being structurized and finalized for next year, my director would contact our HR to allow our colleagues to enroll with these courses also.